Pecan Conserve is a recipe that I came up with my mother when she had some excess blueberries around. And every time I go over to her house, I just end up opening up a jar of it. I swear I could just sit down and eat it plain, but I love it on pancakes, waffles. I mean, it would be really good on oatmeal. I haven't tried it that way, but I'm sure it would be. And it's so easy to make. I start out with 7 cups worth of blueberries. These ones are frozen, so they'll take a little longer to get up to temperature, but you could use fresh ones as well. I'll add 4 cups of sugar and half of a teaspoon of butter to reduce the foaming. Now I'll place this on the stove and stir it regularly until it gets up to the gelling point. The gelling point is 220 degrees minus 2 degrees for every 1,000 feet above sea level that you're at. So I'm at 1,200 feet, so that means I'll get it up to 218 degrees. I'll add half of a cup of coarsely chopped pecans, and I stir that in well. I want it to be in each of my jars. Then I'll fill my half-pint jars up to 1/4 of an inch of headspace. Headspace is a space from the top of the food to the top of the jar. I use a clean, damp cloth to wipe off the rim of my jar so that if any conserve got on the edge, that it won't interfere with the seal. Then I'll place my lids and rings on until they're fingertip tight. I'm using Superb canning lids today because I actually really love these. They do a good job of sealing. They seal for up to 36 months as opposed to the 18 months of the other lid. And I have a 20% off discount code in my description below, as well as the link to get to it. I'll place these in my boiling water bath, submerged by 1 to 2 inches of water, and process them for 15 minutes if I'm at sea level. I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'll process them for 20. But I won't start my timer until after it begins to boil. Now that my timer's gone off, I'll remove the lid, turn off the heat, and let it cool for 5 minutes. I remove the jars from the canner and place them on a heat-resistant surface about 1 to 2 inches apart so that they can cool down quickly. I'll leave them there for 24 hours so that they can get a good seal. I know that they have a good seal if the center of the lid has depressed down. If they have, then I remove the ring and wash off the outside with hot soapy water and store them in a cool, dry, dark location like my pantry. If any of them haven't sealed, I would place it in the refrigerator and use it right away. All right, so the taste tester. Love those pecans. It just has such a nice flavor to it. You get, of course, the strong blueberry and then those pecans complementing it. I mean, what's not to like?